Hi guys, my name is Hyemi, and today I'll be going over the WILOC second grade worksheet lesson number 2. Okay, today's lesson is about tens and ones and how to know the difference between them, right? And to be able to use them in word problems and know their value. Okay, so example, use separate cubes to show that 110 equals 10 ones. Count the cubes, then join them together and hold them up as a 10. Now, how many tens and ones are in this problem? So basically, once you reach 10 of these ones, that will equal 110. Okay? So let's try out this example with the hearts, okay? So you can see, right? There's how many in this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10, right? So then if there's 10 individual ones, we just group them into 1, 10. Same goes for the other ones. So how many groups of 10s do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 10s, right? And how many ones? We just simply have to count all of these or just add a 0 at the end. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try the stars. There is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So this would be one group. This would be 110. Okay? And 110 is equal to 10 ones, right? So we're just adding plus 10 each number you go up by, okay? Okay, let's do this one. It's a little tricky. Okay, there's how many in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, right? So all of these are the same, right? So then it will be another group, another group, another group, another group. So how many groups do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 10, okay? So how many 10s do we have? We have 6 10s. How many ones do we have? We have 60 ones, okay? Simply just add a 0 at the end, right? Okay, now we have to know the value of a digit, okay? So basically we have to find the underlined blue digit and what their value is, okay? So either it's in the tens place or the ones place. Usually the tens place are always after the ones place. So the ones place will be right here, right? Let's say our number is 7. But the ones we have a number called 17, it would be different. It would go after. So then this would be the second digit. Or the first digit, and then this would be the second digit. Okay, so if we look here, let's do a couple of examples. 73. What is the 3 digit in this number? So first look at its location. Is it in the second place or is it in the first place? If it's in the second place, it's automatically ones. If it's in the first place, it's automatically tens. Okay? And so since it's in the second place, we know it's ones, right? So we have 3 ones, right? So then the value will be 3. Let's try another one. 57, the 5 in this number. What is the value of the 5? So if we look here, the 5 is in the first place, right? So then that'll be in the tens place, right? And so if there's 5 tens, realistically in numbers, how many ones would that be? That would be 50 ones. So we'll just circle 50. And then we have 38. Where is it located? It's located in the second position. Oops. The second position, right? So the 8 will express 8 tens, 8 ones. It would be 8 ones because it's in the second place. So it would just be 8. Okay. Lastly, we have word problems. Let's do 1 and 2. So David has, let's bring out our highlighter. David has 18 comic books. Samantha has 9 comic books. How many more does David have? Okay, so in this, we are subtracting not only 1-digit numbers, but 2-digit numbers, okay? So it's a little tricky. So David has 18 comic books. This is a subtraction problem. And the Samantha has 9 comic books. We need to find how many more does David have, right? So then we would have to subtract 9 books to find out how many more he has compared to Samantha. Okay, so we can draw it out, right? We can always draw it out. Let's draw out 18 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And then we're going to take away 9, okay? Let's erase 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. And then how many do we have left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So then our final answer would be 9 more books. You could always double check your answer by adding these, right? Which will go to 18. Let's try another one. Haley has two sets of baseball cards. There are 10 cards in one set and 7 cards in the other set. Okay, let's do a different color. Right. How many cards does she have in all? In all, right? So it's the total. So what? We are adding up the numbers, okay? So basically we could forget about the 2 sets, okay? So they're basically telling us that in one of the sets there's 10 cards, 10 of those, right? And then in another set there's 7 of the baseball cards. So basically this is another problem of just addition, okay? Addition. So 10 plus 7. And then if we add that up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If we count that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Nope. 18, no, 17, right? So this will equal to 17 baseball cards.